History of Dumangas. The name Dumangas likely evolved from the native word Madurangas, a local grass, or dangas, a tribal term due to Spanish phonetic shifts. Historically, it transitioned from a pre-colonial trading hub to one of Iloilo's earliest Spanish towns in 1572, eventually serving as a major religious mission and evolving into the modern agricultural center it is today. Dato Bangkaya. Dato Bangkaya was a prominent pre-colonial chieftain who served as a vital mediator between the native population and the arriving Spanish colonizers. He utilized his leadership to negotiate terms that allowed the community to preserve its traditional customs while adapting to new administrative rules. By facilitating these early interactions, he helped establish a sense of order and governance during a period of significant cultural transition. His legacy remains defined by his ability to protect the town's heritage while ensuring its survival under foreign influence. General Anicito Lacson. General Anicito Lacson was a high-ranking revolutionary figure who maintained strong ties to Dumangas throughout the struggle for Philippine independence. He played a strategic role in the regional fight against Spanish authorities, coordinating efforts across Panay to challenge foreign rule. His involvement brought national significance to the local movement, linking the town's efforts to the broader quest for a sovereign nation. Today, he is remembered as a key military hero whose leadership helped shape the country's revolutionary history. Geography, administrative status, and location. Dumangas is a first-class municipality 25 kilometers northeast of Iloilo City, bordered by neighboring towns and the Guimaras Strait. It serves as a major transit point via national roads and strategic regional seaports. Land area and topography. The 119.15 square kilometer territory consists of flat, fertile alluvial plains with small hills in the north. It is well watered by Dumangas River and various creeks, supporting widespread irrigation and daily use. Flora and fauna. The landscape is characterized by vast rice paddies, sugarcane fields, and fruit orchards alongside coastal mangroves and nipa palms. Local wildlife includes diverse bird species like herons and kingfishers, as well as abundant river and marine life. Population and ethnic composition. The population of over 96,000 is predominantly Hiligaynon, maintaining a deeply rooted Ilonggo cultural identity. Small groups of Tagalogs and Cebuanos live alongside the majority, fully integrated into the local language and customs. Economic aspects and livelihood. Known as the rice granary of Iloilo, the town thrives on large-scale rice, sugarcane, and coconut farming, fishing, and small-scale industries like rice milling and food processing further drive and local economy. Culture of Dumangas. Dumangas, Iloilo is known for its vibrant culture and traditions. Festivals. Pangisdaan Festival, January, which was moved to late October 26 to October 31 to align with town's cultural and historical week. Celebrates fishing and agriculture with street dance and contests. Town Fiesta features religious processions and community gathering. Food. Adobong puso ng saging, kinilaw, suman and ibos. Fresh seafood dishes with Ilonggo's flavor. Language. Hiligaynon. Ilonggo is primary. Tagalog and English widely spoken. Customs. Strong family and community values. Religious traditions like pabasa and bayanihan. Mass visit spots. St. Augustine Parish Church. Dumangas Watchtower. Coastal areas along Guimaras Strait. Old ancestral house in the town center.